How to change the spending limit for Instagram ads. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure to log in. Tap your profile photo at bottom right corner to access your profile. Now select three bar icon at top right corner of your screen. From the menu bar, you need to select Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account, and first you need to switch to Professional Account, selecting the next button, adding the best describes category, and here you need to set up your professional account. Once done, come back and then reopen your Instagram account. Tap Profile at bottom right, head towards Setting and Activity page, choosing three-line icon in top right. Now select Creator Tools and Control on the For Professional sections. Here you'll find different options. Tap on Add Payments and then you need to choose Payment Method. Now on this section you need to scroll down to find the Accounts Spending Limit section. If you get it, you simply need to tap on Edit button in top right and set your new spending limit. You need to simply tap on Save to apply your new spending limit, and then after saving the changes, you can change your spending limit for Instagram ads in this way. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.